On this channel, we provide useful programming information with practical code examples. This time, it's about conditional branching in JavaScript. You can learn about if statements and switch statements through code examples. Enabling subtitles will make the code descriptions easier to understand. Please make use of it. The if statement in JavaScript is a basic control structure used to control code execution based on whether a specific condition is true or false. If the condition is true, the code block is executed, and if it is false, it is skipped. In this example, since the value of x is greater than 5, x is greater than 5 inches is displayed in the console. By using an else statement following an if statement, you can specify code to be executed when the condition is false. In this case, since x is less than 5, x is 5 or less is displayed. If you want to check multiple conditions, use else if. The next condition is checked if the initial if is false. In this case, since x is 5 inches is displayed. If you want to write an if statement more concisely, you can use the ternary operator. In this case, since number is 7, odd is displayed. The switch statement in JavaScript is used to compare one expression, usually a variable, to multiple values, cases, and execute the corresponding code. Like the if statement, it performs conditional branching, but it is often more readable when there are multiple conditions. In this example, since fruit is apple, this is an apple is displayed in the console. By inserting break at the end of each case, you exit the switch statement after completing that case. If you do not write break, the next case will also be executed. This is called fall through. In this case, since color is red, and there is no break after this is red, both this is blue, and unknown color will also be displayed. Default is the part that is executed when there is no match with any case. This corresponds to else in an if statement. In this case, since animal is dog, it falls under default, and unknown animal is displayed. If you want to perform the same operation for multiple cases, you can write them consecutively. In this example, if day is 1, weekday is displayed. And if statement is suitable for checking complex conditions or ranges. For example, complex conditions such as a variable, x, being greater than or equal to 10 and less than or equal to 20 cannot be written in a switch. A switch statement can sometimes make code more readable when checking if a value matches a specific one. The source code for this video can be downloaded from the official website. If you like, please visit the URL in the description to aid your learning. I hope this video helps improve your programming life. By subscribing to the channel, we can deliver more useful information to you.